There's a moment in the night when the world is quiet, the lights are off, and everyone else is asleep. But your heart feels louder than ever. Tears roll silently down your cheeks. You don't want anyone to know. You wipe them quickly, hoping no one hears you sob in the dark. You feel like you're carrying something no one else could possibly understand. But in that very moment, this Quran verse is meant for you. وَهُوَ لِلَّهُ فِعْلَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَفِعْلَ الْأَرْضِ يَعْلَمُ سِرَّكُمْ وَجَهْرَكُمْ. Surah Al-An'am. He is Allah, the one in the heavens and the earth. He knows your secrets and what you reveal. Your silent tears are not unseen. Your trembling prayers, whispered into a pillow, are heard. When no one else hears your pain, Allah does. The night isn't just a time to sleep. It's a time Allah draws closer to the hearts that cry for Him. هل أتى على الإنسان حين من الدهر لم يكن شيئا مذكورا. Surah Al-Insan. Has there not come upon man a period of time when he was nothing to be mentioned? You may feel forgotten now, but remember, there was a time you didn't even exist, yet Allah brought you into being. So why would He stop caring now? Even the Prophet Muhammad, the most beloved to Allah, had nights where he wept alone in the dark. He prayed with his chest heaving in tears, saying, "O Allah, I complain to you of my weakness." He didn't cry out in front of people, he cried before his Lord. That same Lord who heard him hears you too. Sometimes we think crying means weakness, but in Islam, a tear can be a form of worship. وَيَخِرُّونَ لِلْأَذْقَانِ يَبْكُونَ وَيَزِيدُهُمْ خُشُوعًا. Surah Al-Isra. They fall upon their faces weeping, and it increases them in humility. Your tear in the stillness of night could be the very moment Allah brings you closer to Him. So don't ever feel ashamed of it. The same Allah who parts the sea, who lit up the cave for the Prophet, who comforted Maryam alayha as-salam under the palm tree and protected Yusuf alayhi salam in the well. That same Lord is watching over you tonight. He sees your tears. He knows your pain, and He promises that nothing you endure goes unnoticed. So if you're crying alone tonight, know this: you are not alone. Allah is closer than your heartbeat. Your pain is not ignored. Your tears are not wasted. You are seen, heard, and loved by the One who created the night itself. Hold on, better days are written for you, and Allah will bring you peace from places you never expected. Share this with someone who's cried in silence. Let them know. This Quran verse will find you when you're crying alone at night.